Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to allow message requests from friends on Pinterest. This will help you streamline communication and stay connected with the people you know right on the app. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the Saved icon. It's usually at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it, and then tap your profile icon to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, look for the Settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon or 3 dots. Tap on it to open up your settings. Scroll down until you see Social Permissions, and tap on it. Then go to Message Settings. In the message settings, you'll see different options for who can send you messages. Here, you can customize who is allowed to send you message requests. Since we're focusing on allowing requests from friends, tap on the Friends option. By selecting Friends, you ensure that only people you know on Pinterest can send you message requests, helping you avoid unwanted messages from strangers. If you want to open it up even more, you can choose Everyone. But for the purpose of this guide, we're sticking with Friends. Once you've selected Friends, you're all set. Pinterest will now allow message requests only from people who are connected to you on the platform. This is a great way to keep your Pinterest experience friendly and focused on the connections that matter to you. Allowing message requests from friends can really enhance your Pinterest experience. It makes it easier to share ideas, collaborate on projects, and stay in touch with people who share your interests. Plus, it helps keep your inbox clean and free of unwanted solicitations. If you change your mind later and want to adjust your message settings, just follow these steps again. You can switch back to Everyone or even Nobody if you prefer not to receive any message requests at all. That's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your message settings to allow requests from friends. Now you can enjoy a more connected and personalized experience on Pinterest. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.